Okay.
If I zoom in, I can't get the sunset.
He sneaks up on his prey. Oh, he's taking a little side step here. Brew, you need to go to the right of the lifeguard tower. You're okay.
Whoa, let's go.
You got some friends coming out to join you. Well, that kind of sums up Brew's trip to California. We'll talk to you later. I don't even know what to say. If the birds come back here and poop all over me, I know what to say.
Now you gotta wait and get a picture of the smile on his face when he comes back. He'll have that Brew grin.
He's waiting for more of him to land so he can do it again. Brew! Ah!
Look, he got him to stop playing volleyball to watch. They started taking pictures too.
Okay, Brew, give me the wave in the sunset here. Okay, good night, everybody. 2018 Hermosa Beach 911. Bye bye.